In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to your Canva video document. This can be a transformative process for your projects, as the right audio can enhance the storytelling and engagement of your video creations. So whether you're a professional content creator or just getting started with your video projects, this step-by-step guide will ensure you can seamlessly integrate audio into your Canva video documents like a pro. Let's dive in. First, you want to open your Canva account if you haven't already and navigate to your Canva video document. This is where all the magic starts. If you're new to Canva, simply log into your account, and once you're at the home page, you'll find the section for your saved projects. Click on the specific video document you want to work with, and it will open up in the Canva editor. Now that you're in your video document, direct your attention to the toolbar at the bottom left of the screen, just below the first page of your video. There, you'll spot the audio button. It's easily recognizable and honestly, one of the most exciting tools here, offering a wealth of options to bring your project to life. Clicking this button will open up a new window or sidebar that unveils multiple audio choices. Here, you can either upload your own audio files if you have a specific track in mind, or explore the extensive library of audio tracks that Canva offers. This library is brimming with diverse sounds, from upbeat tunes to ambient backgrounds, catering to all kinds of mood-setting possibilities. Take your time to browse through these selections, giving thought to what kind of sound will best enhance your video's message. Once you've found or uploaded your desired audio, you'll need to synchronize it beautifully with your video content. Canva allows you to trim the audio and adjust where it starts and ends so it fits perfectly with the visuals. This can be a crucial step, as the timing of audio can significantly impact how viewers perceive the video. And with these simple yet effective steps, you're done. Adding audio to your Canva video document can not only highlight essential parts of your presentation, but also create a more immersive experience for your audience. This process may seem small, but its impact is mighty. It's these thoughtful additions that transform a video project from good to truly engaging, grabbing your audience's attention and keeping them invested from start to finish. So go ahead and try it out. Experiment with different sounds and discover what works best for your own unique style. Thank you for watching and happy creating.